Hello everyone, and today welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade your unsupported PC to Windows 11 version to 5H to beta. Before we start the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you won't be missed with the latest videos. Without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, my current version of Windows 11 is version 24H2, so we want to upgrade our unsupported PC to Windows 11 version to 5H to beta. Please note that the beta version of Windows 11 version to 5H2 is buggy and it's not yet stable, so before doing the upgrade process, you need to make a full backup of your data in case you want to go back to the stable version of Windows 11. First, you need to download the ISO file for Windows 11 version to 5H to beta. Open up your web browser and go to this website to where you can download the ISO file for Windows 11 version to 5H to beta version. From here, select the latest build for Windows 11 version to 5H to beta. So in my case, I'm just going to select the Windows 11 Insider Preview build 27840, to which is the Canary build version, and click the Confirm button. Go through the entire steps and it will download the ISO file for you. Once the ISO file has been downloaded, you need to mount the ISO file for Windows 11 version to 5H to beta version. As you can see, I already mounted the ISO file for Windows 11 version to 5H to beta. Now go to the search bar and type terminal and run it as administrator, and then click on Yes button on the UAC prompt. I'm gonna switch to the command prompt on this app and close the other tab. From here, type D and press enter, and we're gonna type the dir and press enter again so that we can view all of the installation files. From here, we're gonna use the setup.exe, so we're gonna type setup.exe a product server and then press enter, and it will run the Windows setup.exe for you. From here, click on Change How Setup Downloads Updates, and I'm just gonna click on Not Right Now button and then click Next. If this doesn't work, so that means everything is changed now. So if you're trying to install Windows 11 version to 5H2 on unsupported PC, it will show up like this on the product server, even on the normal one. Now let's move on to the next step. Now we're gonna close this, and we're going to use a new script for bypassing the requirements for Windows 11 to 5H2 beta. Now go back into your browser and go to the next website like this to where you can download the BAT file for bypassing the system requirements for Windows 11. So I'm gonna select the first one, which is bw11.bat. This is from the GitHub website. From here, click the download button and it will download the .bat file for bypassing the system requirements for Windows 11. Once it's downloaded, look for the BAT file for bypassing the system requirements for Windows 11 in the File Explorer and open it as administrator. If you see this, click on More Info and click on Run Anyway button. We're gonna click on the Yes button again in the UAC prompt. From here, press 1 for bypassing the system requirements for Windows 11 and press Enter. Now, it will only take 3 seconds to bypass the system requirements for Windows 11 depending on your computer's speed. As you can see, the operation has been completed, so now we're good to go. Now we're gonna close this and run the setup again. This time, it will not be the product server, it will be the normal version. Let's do the same thing again like we did earlier. If you see this message that your PC needs to have 2 or more cores, it makes sense now, so that means there's only 1 left for the system requirements, so that's gonna be much good for me. Alright, we're running the product server again until. As you can see, it's the same thing. Now I have to change my computer's core processor to 2 or more. So I'm gonna turn off my PC and I'll do this process. I'll pause the video and I'll be right back. Now we're back and also I changed my computer's core processor to 2, so let's run the setup again. Let's do the same thing once more and let's see what happens now. As you can see, we finally bypassed the system requirements for Windows 11, so I'm just gonna click on Accept button. It's gonna make sure you're ready to install, so we'll have to wait. If you see this screen right here, we need to be the part of the developer program on our PC. So we're going to Windows Update in Settings, then Windows Insider Program. Now we need to turn on the optional diagnostic data. So we're going to open up the diagnostic and feedback, then turn on the optional diagnostic data, then go back to the previous page. Now let's click on Get Started button, and we need to link to our Microsoft account. Then also you can select any insider channel, then you can go through the process. After this, you need to restart the computer to take effect. As you can see, my Windows settings is very unresponsive, so we need to restart the computer so that I won't waste any more time. Now, I just restarted the computer again, so we're gonna open up the same program that we opened before. Now it gave me an error stating that the setup couldn't start properly. Now we need to restart the computer once more. Now I restarted the computer once more, so we'll try that again and see what happens. Now I'm just going to click on Continue Firmware. I left off button and click Next. Now the same message appeared for me. I'm just gonna select the Enable button and restart the computer, and after that, we're gonna repeat the whole setup process. Now I just repeated the restart process all over again, but this time we're gonna select the Start Over from the beginning button and click Next and repeat the whole setup process. Now it's gonna make sure your PC has enough space, and also make sure you have enough space on your PC. If your storage is full, you need to free up some disk space. And also make sure your PC is plugged into your charger before upgrading. While it's making sure my PC has enough space, I just want you to know that my PC doesn't meet the minimum system requirements for Windows 11, so I just installed the PC Health Check app last week and 5 days. So if I click on Check Now under Introducing Windows 11, as you can see, my computer's processor is still unsupported, and that means it doesn't meet the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. Now back to this window, so I'll wait until it's ready to install. Now it will give you a summary of what's gonna happen in this screen. So once you're ready, click on Install button. The setup is going to take over, and it will take a few minutes to complete in this screen, and after that, your PC will restart several times to complete the upgrade. As you can see, it took about 2 hours and 4 minutes to upgrade my PC to Windows 11 version to 5H to beta. But once it's done upgrading, log back into your user account and you will be greeted with the first login screen. As you can see, the upgrade was completed successfully, so let's check in the About section now. So let's right-click on the Start menu and then click on System. As you can see, we're now on Windows 11 version to 5H to beta, which is build 27842.100. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see y'all tomorrow in the next video.